Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to DIP&ART. In today's video, we are gonna learn how to write Swad, dwad in Diwani Jali script. This structure I made here is because so that I don't overwrite the letter and don't cross these lines. These are the boundaries. I'm gonna be following these boundaries. There are two moves. First one is curving downward and second one is curving upward. It's just like the eye. In two moves there should be a space of one dot over here. Rest of the body of Swad, letter Swad, is just like letter Seen and Sheen. We have learned in the previous video. In this bottom there should be a space of 3 dots, and at the end there is a thin curvy line and 2 dots height. This is just like we learned it before. I hope I made the shape clear. Let's do it again. Now moving towards the letter dwa and zwa. First two moves are similar as the letter Swad, but we end the letter with a little bit pointy extension at the end and adding the alif at the top. This makes the dwa. Let's try using these letters in a combination. First move I made is for the letter ba, and the second I'm making here is the tip of Swad, and then ya, and then again Swad, ending the word with the letter Swad. We can make two types of Swad. First one is a little pointy and the second one is a little round. It's not very round, and ending the letter with the same moves we learned in the previous video. Let's try writing Basir, which is ba, Swad, ya and ra. And this is how you write a letter Swad when it comes in between a word. I hope I'm able to make this easy for you guys. This example I'm writing here is for the letter ta, and which is the beep. Ta, ba, ya, and again ba. Let me try writing it with the difficult word, which is sahi. Right, Swad, ha, and this move is for ha, and then ya, and then again ha. I'm using the infinitive one at the end because it looks more pretty. I'll see you in the next video, inshallah. This is Maikra signing off. Fi aman Allah. Take care.